Hey guys, we've gotten some questions about Flocabulary. Some of you guys, when I went on, have not actually joined the class. So what you're going to do is when you go to your classwork tab, you're going to scroll down a little bit. This is the beginning with the seesaw code. Just come down to where it says vocabulary assignments. And you're going to open up this Flocabulary website. So mine looks like the teacher side, but that's okay. So we're going to say join a class. And you're going to enter in first the class code, which if you look back on the screen, whoops. It is right here, the R3MPTR. That's the class code. So when you open up this tab, you're going to type in the class code, R3MPTR, and you're going to press submit. And so you have a couple of options. I'm new or I already have an account. I don't know which one your information is going to work with. So I'm going to try, I've got a student's information here. I'm going to try, I already have an account. And so let me put in, and you can see it's going to bring up all different kinds of usernames and passwords that I use typically. But I'm going to go ahead and put in a student number and password and see if I can log in and join the class. Okay, so this says that I am in, and so I'm going to press get started. And if I come to the top, there are several different assignments. So this just happens to be Riley Skipper's, something that doesn't exist, cat and mouse, Dracula, ecosystems, and food chains. So she's here in Miss Carter's class where all of these assignments are going to be listed. Sorry, I got dogs and cats in here. This week I think is theme, so I'll go in and add that to the assignment list as well. If you click on done, she hasn't done any in her class. She should have done some in the other classes. So like here is my previous class that I went ahead and exited out of so that we weren't kind of getting anything that was crazy for you guys. So just looking on here is the assignments. Now, when Riley comes to log in again, so when you are here on this page, she's already joined the class. So when she comes in later on to do more Flocabulary assignments, she's just going to click on log in. And she can log in with Google if she's already logged in, or she can log in with her username and password. And that's how she's going to log in to Flocabulary each time. So you only have to add yourself to the class the very first time. I can go on there and see who is already on if you have questions, but just let me know and I can help out with that. I hope that was helpful, and y'all comment if you guys have any questions about this.